Hello and welcome. I'm Aditi from ICRIS Pharma Network. Warm greetings to everyone shaping the future of global healthcare. In the rapidly advancing landscape of global pharmaceuticals, biologics continue to redefine therapeutic innovation, emerging as the fastest growing segment across the entire drug development spectrum. Industry analyses project that the global biologics market, valued at approximately 400 billion US dollars in 2024, is set to exceed 650 billion US dollars by 2030, driven by unprecedented scientific progress and strong commercial momentum. After that, we see that growth is underpinned by multiple high-impact drivers, increasing global prevalence of oncology, autoimmune, metabolic, and rare diseases, elevating the need for targeted, high-efficacy biologic interventions. Acceleration in FDA and EMA approvals for monoclonal antibodies, gene therapies, cell-based therapies, fusion proteins, and recombinant biologics. Shift toward personalized and precision-based treatment paradigms, supported by advanced biomarker-driven patient selection and companion diagnostics. Expansion of biosimilar pipelines, improving affordability and broadening market penetration, particularly in emerging economies. Then, when evaluating geographic trends, North America maintains clear market dominance, supported by strong R&D ecosystems, advanced manufacturing infrastructure, and favorable reimbursement frameworks. Next, Asia Pacific emerges as the fastest growing biologics region due to robust healthcare investments, increasing biologics manufacturing capacity, and wider regulatory acceptance of biosimilars. After that, product segmentation highlights monoclonal antibodies, MAbs, as the leading class, owing to their clinical versatility across oncology, immunology, infectious diseases, and rare disorders. Their trajectory is further strengthened by next-generation modalities such as bispecific antibodies, antibody-drug conjugates, ADCs, and immune checkpoint inhibitors. Then, from a patient perspective, this rapid expansion translates into broader access to transformative therapies, from cancer immunotherapies to innovative options for autoimmune, genetic, and ultra-rare diseases. Next, for pharmaceutical manufacturers, distributors, and global access partners, the biologics boom signals a steep rise in demand for high-quality biologic APIs, biosimilars, cold chain logistics, and global supply capabilities. After that, as the biologics market moves closer to the 650 billion US dollars milestone by 2030, it becomes evident that we are standing at the forefront of a transformative era, one where biotechnology, regulatory innovation, and global accessibility converge to reshape the future of healthcare delivery worldwide. The future is unfolding now. Let's stay informed. Let's stay prepared. And together, let's shape what comes next. Thank you for watching.